So now we are on this mild off-road section which has a lot of bumps. Checking the suspension on this Adventure 390. This is a rocky section that we are doing. Oh wow, beautiful. Oh, just stalled the machine here. I think just went too far. I was in a third gear. Let's go, keep on going, and let's see where we reach. A proper off-road trail. Take this while going down. I will try and maintain a little bit of momentum. This is a very bumpy section. Not sure if the camera is doing any sort of justice to what's happening with the suspension here. Wait at the back and look in front. Keep moving. Okay, yeah. Beautiful. Just performing. Oh, burst a beer bottle in between. Fuck.